For several years, the economic downturn has made it difficult for companies to grow and expand their workforce. Houses weren't being built, roads were not being fixed, and factories were being torn down. Everything was slowing down. Construction companies did their best to keep their key workers on the payroll, but there was little room to hire new people. The economy is now showing signs of a rebound. Houses are going up, factories are expanding, and the legislature has passed a transportation funding package. Now, with all this new work coming, the existing workforce is reaching retirement age. The limiting factor for rebuilding Michigan is finding more talented individuals that can join our team. Parents and kids have been told that success can only be found through expensive advanced college degrees. We are in an industry that provides tremendous opportunities and job satisfaction. You can make a good living, raise a family, going home at night knowing you accomplished something. Where can someone start? We have a tremendous footprint that covers the entire state of Michigan. Careers like equipment operators, engineers, accountants, carpenters, project managers, geologists, even Great Lakes seamen, to name a few. We are looking for both men and women, both high-tech and hands-on craftsmen. There are many good existing training programs at all levels of education, but they can be hard to find when you don't even know they're out there. We need thousands of workers, but it's not just one big company looking. We have many employers, each looking for a few good people. This makes it tougher to match up individuals with careers. No individual company could afford to develop the type of campaign needed to do this. We really needed an innovative way to unite the entire industry in a campaign to attract career-minded individuals. And we needed to set up an easy way to connect individuals to training and employers.
The strategy for attracting new talent to the construction industry focuses on uniting the industry under a single brand and promoting a positive image of the industry utilizing an image branding campaign. The brand is Michigan Construction. To inspire people to want to connect with the Michigan Construction brand, we develop powerful videos with a creative message casting a positive light on the industry through artful storytelling. All videos point to MichiganConstruction.com, which is a centralized site that links construction career information, training, education, and job opportunities, all in one easy-to-find location. We then push the brand message to millions of individuals through digital media, social media, and broadcast television. And when they come to the website, we will continue to connect and interact with them through an inbound marketing strategy.
When we developed the creative approach for these videos, we focused primarily on engagement and impact. To drive powerful impact, we knew it would take a rebranding effort of the construction industry as a whole. The bottom line is, parents, kids, and many people do not have a very positive perspective on the industry. They see it as an unfulfilling industry with no creativity. Through this campaign, we wanted to shed a positive light on the individuals through our visuals and storytelling. These videos are made to bring pride to those that are currently a part of the industry and to inspire and impact those that are not familiar with construction. The goal is to drive enough interest in the videos that the viewer picks up the phone or laptop and connects to MichiganConstruction.com. From the website, they'll learn about education training and job opportunities in the construction industry for themselves, their family, or their friends.
It starts with a fascination, an energy that drives us to create. And over time, it evolves into something greater. An idea, a simple idea, to make things better, to improve. We are not the type to settle or leave a job half-finished. We are a source of positive change, filtering innovation from our minds through our hands, bettering our beautiful state. And when you create every day, it's easy to look back and see everything you've helped build. Build a better Michigan. Your future awaits at MichiganConstruction.com. It begins here, deep beneath the surface, falling, moving, crushing, changing, starting far from its final destination, a path defined by generations, from the shore to the open water on a great journey, bringing with it the promise of a better tomorrow. People working together to improve Michigan and taking pride in our future. The graceful and the gritty combining to form great feats of engineering, literally paving the way for a state that is safer and more connected. And at the end of the day, you can look back knowing you've moved things forward. Build a better Michigan. Your future awaits at MichiganConstruction.com.
MichiganConstruction.com was built for user appeal, with rugged, sturdy design elements. And though it has a massive amount of content and many different target users, students, construction leaders, parents, educators, job seekers, and employers, it's still visually easy to navigate. We call that user experience and user interface. We created a site that's rich in information, yet provides visual inspiration. And we're finding that people on the site stay for a long amount of time and move deeper into the site, which is the goal. Another critical piece is the domain that we purchased, MichiganConstruction.com. You can't get a better URL than that.
In addition to creating relevant content for our target market, we need to get the messages in front of them. Each medium has different targeting options to reach the desired market. For instance, with Facebook, we're constantly creating different profiles to reach our audience geographically, demographically, and behaviorally. Some messages are tailored for a Detroit audience, others might be statewide. Certain messages favor a younger audience, while some might reach out for support from the existing construction community. With our strategy, we've managed to reach our target audience over and over again, and very cost-effectively.
We executed a statewide television strategy to change the image of the construction industry and the image of careers in the construction industry, while also branding the resource website, MichiganConstruction.com. We focused primarily on morning news, but included other areas where cost efficient. We used Wood TV 8 in Grand Rapids, WLNS TV 6 and ABC 53 in Lansing, ABC 12 in the Flint, Saginaw, and Bay City market, and Fox 2 in Detroit. Each quarter we make over 15 million impressions on people in Michigan and reach an average of 51% of the market, with the average person seeing the spot 6 times.
Our digital media strategy was very successful. We targeted young people in Michigan that had an online behavioral history of searching for schools or jobs. We then served up video pre-roll to them wherever they were online, before they watched the content that they were there to watch, and they viewed with an 89% completion rate. This is a very high percentage, and it's rarely seen for video pre-roll.
Our online display was executed with similar targeting and had engaging creative that offered the viewer the ability to click through to MichiganConstruction.com. We made over 2.4 million impressions on the market quarterly with online display and 1.6 million with video pre-roll. This powerful creative and specific targeting created high engagement and a formula for success.
Social media is a great way for your target market to engage and interact with your brand. We used a combination of video and stills with positive motivational copy that helped to change the image of careers in construction. Our boosted posts targeted young people with a behavioral history of job and school search and had thousands of views with higher than average comments, shares, and likes, likely due to our creative message that really resonated with the viewer.
Michigan Construction has this brilliant team working hard to get people to this beautiful website. Visitors come, they do their research, they find information, and then they leave. What if we can keep a connection with them after they leave? What if we know who they are and what they care about? That's why we're currently working on an inbound marketing strategy. Inbound is a methodology we use to create ways to connect with visitors after they leave. But it has to be automated. The website has to do all of the work. For example, if a visitor is looking for a career, the site can automatically send them emails with new job postings. If they want educational information, it might send them different opportunities about trade schools, scholarships, or grants. If an educator wants information for a student, they can choose to maybe download a guide that compares incomes in the construction fields. It's all about connecting with visitors in a hyper-relevant way to get them exactly what they need before, during, and after the website visit.
Now we have the ball rolling. Where can we go from here? We will continue to add new creative commercials and expand our base of employer members. We can easily add a few more career choices as they are identified. We will consider advertising in other states. Michigan is a neat place to work and live. Let's bring good people back home. We can highlight the success of new workers that do join our ranks. We will continue to expand and improve the way we connect with individuals that show an interest in our construction industry. The one lesson that I have learned from my time in this great industry is that when individuals are given the opportunity to think creatively, amazing results are achieved. We can't wait to see what this group will come up with. But most and foremost, our message is that together we can build a better Michigan.